How's it going, guys? As you guys can see, we're at beautiful Lake Mead. Got a good friend here, Austin, with us. We're gonna be doing a little bit of bass fishing. You know, we got a big flow of rain that just came into southern Nevada recently, so we'll see what it's doing to these bass. You know, more than likely it's gonna be pushing them around, making them all funky, but we're still gonna go ahead and try to get on a good bass bite. And also, we brought the bows and everything too. You guys will have to stay tuned for that. All we're gonna be using today is like little Texas rigs, jigs, chatterbaits. We got some drop shots on. Hopefully we can hook up on a couple of bass.
We're gonna get something.
It's kind of cold. I mean, it's May and we're over here wearing sweaters and stuff. Last year, you know, it was like 110 degrees already. There's some shad right there too. Shad and the carp are up. I'm not seeing no bass though. And gizzards. They're coming up shallow because they're spawning right now too. They're dropping all their eggs, and within a month you're gonna start seeing boils everywhere.
Oh, the boil does start in like summertime.
Yeah, they're starting about a month.
18, 13.
There's a catfish right there. No, it's yeah, catfish. The catfish are shallow. I mean, bass should be. I'm not seeing any bass right now. That looks like a bed though. There's no fish on it.
Are they still on bed?
They should be. That's what I'm saying. They should be on beds right now, but we got that really big rainstorm that came through.
Yeah, water coming up and stuff.
Yeah. We might have pushed them back off this. Because just last time we were out here, we're catching them like crazy up shallow. On flats like this, we usually catch all our smallies on this kind of stuff. It's one thing about me, there's not a whole lot of structure deep. He's about two and a half pounder.
I got him.
You got him? Same bass? That's the same bass. Yeah. You think it's a different one? Oh, I got the GoPro on.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, that's a good one too.
He might have.
That was the same dang fish.
This is the one Adrian had. He came off and then he just...
Yeah, that already bit both of our baits.
There you go. Should we live well? Nah.
Nice bass. That's a nice one.
Alright guys, first bass of the day. This is what we came out for.
About 2.25 probably. Yeah.
Nice little 5-pounder. No. No, he's about 1.5 pounds. Not bad. Came out here, it's crazy because Adrian had him hooked up, was reeling him in. He came off on the side of the boat and I was trying to film. As he took off, he hit my bait, so.
That has to be the same fish, huh?
Yeah, he was hungry. Aggressive fish. We'll circle around, there might be more just in case this wasn't.
No, senior hooked up. Second fish of the day. Ned rig, I mean.
There it is.
Hold up.
Oh man.
Well, that's what happens when we wait for the camera, huh?
He was a small one.
Yeah, a little smallie. Nothing fancy. We'll get another.
So we're out here getting the bow fishing gear ready. Adrian's tying on the arrow. We got 4-prong and 2-prong. We're gonna start off with the 2, and hopefully we can get Austin on a tilapia. So we're in an area where we think there's gonna be either tilapia or a whole bunch of carp. We got the bow fishing gear ready. Let's see what we can do. We got tilapia. It's a good sign.
Tilapia spottings of the year. There's 2 of them.
2 of them. They look delicious.
Pretty skittish little fish, huh?
Yeah, they are. All right, so we're in carp heaven right here. All right, first carp of the day. First kill of the day right here. Got a nice carp.
Right up there, you can see them right everywhere.
Oh, not bad, not bad. There's one.
First one.
All right, let's put them in the live well. Austin spotted one. There it went.
Now we're getting into them now. Yeah.
There's one. Oh man, you
Right
just
over
missed them. A little bit high, I think. Austin's gonna take a shot.
Big one. Oh, you shot right in front of him, dude.
So you guys that bow fish know that this is hard. This is hard work.
Yeah, because these are fairly deep shots. We're shooting 3-4 feet deep. So.
Yeah, it's a little bit deeper than we like.
There's a bass.
We aborted mission on the boat. And we are looking in these shallows. Tilapia like to hang out in like probably 1.5 foot or less. Over here we have the first real bed we've seen. It's way bigger than a bass bed. Way bigger. Like 2 feet wide. Probably 10 inches deep. They're huge. There's another bed. Nice bed. Look how big that is. It's only a matter of time before we get some of these big ones. Alright, next cove. Alright guys, we're creeping up on a couple spots here. Let's see if they can get it done. Now that we know where they're at, hopefully we can creep up, turn off the trolling motor and just glide right in. And let's see what happens here. Is this one of the spots?
That's some big ones too.
This is the first spot.
Alright. So we got Austin here, first time after tilapia. Adrian.
Yeah.
He's killed about 3.
Shot about 1,000 times.
Yeah. 1,000 shots, 3 hits.
0.001%.
Alright, let's see what we got here.
On the board.
To the left, coming your way, coming your way. That's a direct hit.
With the snipe, Austin just slams a carp. Big orange looking carp.
They're kind of weird, they don't really reel.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Alright, so that was zombie fish. He's gonna be coyote food.
Yeah, we were gonna throw them in the live well because we want some pictures of some carp we shoot or whatever laying out, but I don't know.
He was all
kinda
messed up,
nice.
so. If you guys are archery hunters, this is the next best thing right here.
Oh, so much fun.
Get out here and just shoot fish
A lot
using
harder than
archery
the
gear.
too, I'll tell you that.
Oh! Somebody got him. Somebody got him.
Did we both?
I don't know.
If you guys
We
both
both
got
got
him,
him.
that's crazy.
Oh, no, somebody-
No way.
I think I got him. Yours.
Oh man, you might need the net, or you think it went all the way in?
No,
Oh! Well, we just had one. All that live action. I had it on film. So it went in, and then as the fish started fighting, it turned that way and it allowed it to come out. So we need to tighten it down a little bit.
Well, I was happy there for about 30 seconds.
I thought you guys both had
Yeah,
him.
he started jumping and
He has to be floating up somewhere.
I
That
know, I
arrow is
center
no
punched him.
joke.
We'll see him here in a minute floating. He'll still be good.
Yeah, we'll get him. He
crazy
was
man.
flopping around, like I said, that little front piece bent. And we got it fixed now, tightened it down. That's our fault. New gear, learning how it works.
Yeah.
But everything's fine. We just didn't tighten it up enough. And we're going to another hot spot. So let's try to go get him.
Well, Senior thinks he can actually get one. He thinks he's some archer legend or something. He always does this. He always thinks he can get one right at the end. Click the button. Yeah, you didn't click the button is what happened. So that tilapia that got off, 100% intentional. You see, my idea of this is I didn't want to invite a guest, right? And my dad also. I didn't want to outshoot you guys. I mean, me and Austin both got one carp.
We should have communicated that because I didn't want to outshoot you guys on your own channel. So
Alright, so what it all comes down to is I got the bow now. Beautiful bow.
remember to press the button.
I'm gonna go get one real quick.
Yeah, you know there's a button to let the string out.
Oh, yeah.
Long shot.
Yes. So about 30 seconds ago, I saw one. My first shot. I'm like, let's check out this long shot. I was all happy. I went to shoot and I went 6 feet and just dropped. Don't forget to push the button down. All right, here we go. Watch this. 2, 1. And a double miss, it looks like.
You guys shot each other. That thing was right there in 2 inches of water, just booked it, a tilapia. He was shallow too, jeez.
All right, guys, party's almost over. This is gonna turn into a vlog, unless they can kill something. At least we didn't get skunked. All right, guys, last chance cove.
Well, they're seeing us.
We're
or
here,
something.
we're seeing them.
Is that one?
Don't talk too loud.
I think they're turning.
Let's
They're
do
starting
this.
to leave.
Let's do this.
They're straight ahead. See if we can't get on one.
We got one, but it's stuck in some deep stuff, so I'm the only one with chanclas. We're gonna get him. Don't pull him, he ain't hooked that good. Oh man, don't come off, buddy. All right, so I missed that one. They decided to just get in the water. There's some places a boat can't go. Oh, nice.
There's another one.
Did it go through?
There was another one.
Make sure it went through. Oh yeah, finally.
Right on, bud.
There we go.
Good shot.
They're just in these weeds.
There we go, finally. They didn't come out here for nothing. Those of you who've never seen a tilapia, this is what they look like. Look at these big boys.
Does it have sometimes?
You got a bunch of babies sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes they got babies in their mouth.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're the kind of fish species that holds the babies in their mouth.
Beautiful. That's what we came out here for. Look. Look at that.
They're real pretty colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't let them get away because that's what.
We've already lost
Even
two
that
other
one, like
ones.
that close, like that. This piece was
Yeah.
only sticking out, like not even halfway.
Wow.
That's why I shoved.
That's
the
why
rest
we
of the way
keep
through,
losing
so it
them,
wouldn't
huh?
come off.
Perfect.
That's why we keep losing them.
All right, we got one. We don't go hungry tonight.
Yeah. Little one.
You bled them? Bled them up?
Yeah, I bet him.
Perfect. So we got the tilapia, got a carp, equipment's working good, everything is good. Did you have fun?
Heck yeah. That was a
All
good
right,
time.
we'll come back out and see what happens
Definitely,
next time.
definitely. When they get a little bit thicker too.
Yeah. Adrian's trying to set it up for some good pictures. If you guys aren't following his Instagram, go check it out. Sin City Outdoors Instagram. Look at this. That's some effort right there. Thinks he's a photographer.
Hire me now.
All right, man. I appreciate you coming out.
Hey,
Had
thank
fun.
you. Had a good
Yeah.
time. That was awesome.
We'll come back out.
Absolutely.
Next time we'll come in shorts and
Yeah.
wear some.
I thought it was gonna be
Yeah.
a little bit
It was
cooler
like,
today.
yeah, that was our first time wading for them. It's like right when we got in the water, they just stopped fearing us or something. They let us get all super close to them. But great time. You gotta come back out with us when they're even thicker.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Great time out here. If you guys are interested in bow fishing Lake Mead for tilapia, they're an unprotected species. They're an invasive species, and actually it's illegal to let them go. So if you guys catch them, you can't even let them go. They're that invasive. So, I mean, state highly recommends it. I recommend it. It's an awesome time. As you guys can tell, we use Cajun Bowfishing. Links are down in the description if you want to check them out. Awesome bows for that. They got the job done. I mean, it worked out. But other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you outdoors.